Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Taryn with another Plan With Me video. Today we have something new in store. We are going to finally be in our Capitol Chic Designs planner. This is the 18-month planner and I picked it up at the beginning of May, and I've been literally counting down, probably like everybody else, of when I can get to July to finally plan with it. So I'm gonna use majority of my Capitol Chic design stickers that I had from earlier this year. So just because, I mean, why not, you know, like this is a momentous occasion. So I actually looked, because it's been like a while since I've used a vertical planner. My very first planner ever for 2019 was a Big Happy planner, and it was vertical, but I didn't really know what I was doing. It was just kind of like all over the place. So I did actually watch Squared Plans, and I'll link the video below that I watched. She did a really good video on how, like 10 ways to use a vertical planner. So I watched her video and just kind of saw the different ways, because like I said, I'm just used to doing my mini happy planner, and I kind of have my little flow with that. So this one was just kind of like out of my, prayer view, I guess. So that video really helped me. So I'm actually, for this week, I'm gonna do the middle to be the decor, and then the top is kind of like priority. I think she put like priorities type stuff, and then the bottom third section is gonna be like checklists, to do type things. So that's kind of like what you see me doing here. And this is the Capitol Chic Design sticker album as well, that I'm using, that I kind of put like majority of like the decor boxes in. I still have to go in and like put a little bit more of like the smaller stickers in here, but for the most part I have pretty much majority of my Capitol Chic stickers in that sticker album. So again, we are trying to use these stickers up. So I hadn't used this Leopard book in quite some time, so I decided to use it for this one. So I'm super excited about this. I'm just still kind of getting my bearings with it, so probably like the next few videos is going to be kind of me fumbling around trying to figure it out. But I do love it. I love that it has little trackers down at the bottom, and like a little note section. I like that you saw in the beginning I did put what my monthly spread looks like for July in it. I pretty much did a whole red theme using Capitol Chic Designs too, but it also comes with dolls like actually on the paper, so you don't have to feel so like, oh, I need all these dolls, because sometimes I find myself doing that. I'm just looking for all these dolls, and I like that she included those in the pages as well. So this is what we have so far for our very first spread in the Capitol Chic planner. This is going to be kind of like my major planner, and I'm gonna make my mini happy planner, which thank you guys for that did comment below as far as still wanting to see the mini happy planner spreads. I'm gonna make that like my purse on the go one. So moving forward, we will have two, God willing, time permitting, 2 videos a week now, one with the Capitol Chic and one with the mini happy planner. So I hope you guys are having a good week and planning and all that, and let me know in the comments below if you picked up any July start planners. I'm really addicted to watching the new videos, so I'm really trying guys to put myself on a strict budget of not buying anymore, but like specific things. So for July in my planner, in my mini happy planner, I'm gonna do like themes, so that's kind of gonna keep me on track. So I haven't figured out just quite yet for the Capitol Chic, but right now I know it's probably going to be majority of her stickers. And this little book over here is just kind of like my little fallout stickers, where it's like I like them, I need to use them up, but I don't feel like putting them in my sticker album. So that's just kind of like where we're at with this. So yeah, that's just kind of like my little catch-all book. But yeah guys, if you have any suggestions or things that you guys want to see with the Capitol Chic Designs, if you want to do a flip through or whatever you need, just let me know in the comments, and I will be sure to add that to my filming schedule. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much.